Hello, this is Manang Mimi from Nebraska, USA, and this season, this still autumn here, I haven't really tried planting any vegetables since, but I slowly figuring out what plant it's good for cold season, and I tried to plant spinach and cabbage last month before the season get cold, and I checked the pack of the the seeds, and it says how many weeks before you can harvest it, and I figuring out, oh, there's still enough time that I can harvest the spinach. So that's what I did, and I harvest for the first time, and there I still have more spinach popping out. So I was gonna show it to you, my spinach, and then that's the only couple of things that I plant this season. And what I did is I clear up all the weeds, or the dead weeds, or the vines, of the vegetables from the raised bed garden. I clear up and prepare the soil so that this coming spring, hopefully, I can plant. Like, it's easy for me to plant because it's all ready, and not I don't need to do anything. If I do something, and I will much for me, especially you know small things add up, so I got to keep up. I have to clear all the prepare the soil for the next season. So here it is. Akong gi-harvest. I'm harvesting my first spinach that I planted the last month, and I still have more to harvest in there. So okay, that's my spinach, my very first harvest in my spinach. Okay. Catching my breath. Thank you guys for watching my video, and hope you subscribe to those of you that didn't subscribe yet in my channel. So thank you for watching, and it helps us if you like our video and also share. Thank you very much. Hope you have a beautiful day and more blessing. God bless. Bye-bye.